In this video, you will learn about using to with an action word. This topic is a part of verbs.
As learned earlier, verbs can change their form in 5 ways.
Verbs or action words like sleep, dream can be used with or without to before it. For example, to sleep. To dream, use to before an action word to talk about why you did something. For example, Jay went to deposit money. To deposit is the reason why Jay went to the bank.
To form a positive sentence, begin with the pronoun. Add like, hate or love to and the action word. For example, she likes to cook. Or, I hate to watch horror movies. To add more information about the verb, put an adverb between to and the verb. For example, Jay went to safely deposit money. Or, she likes to quietly paint in her room. For sentences which use to plus verb, the verb does not change form and is the same for everyone you talk about.
For example, he liked to cook. Or, she likes to cook. Or, we are going to cook. Now you know how to use to with an action word.